Hello traders, welcome to Quick Tips for thinkorswim. I'm Connie Hill, Senior Manager Trading and Derivatives here at Charles Schwab. Today's quick tip is how to quickly build a bearish watch list. This is one I call my early morning movers bearish. The information we talk about is for information and education only. Don't consider it a recommendation. Options carry a high level of risk and are not all suitable for all investors. We're going to start here on the Scan tab. The tool we're going to use is Stock Hacker. Now, when you come into Stock Hacker, this is the default look that it gives you. You basically have 3 rows and you can start to build off of that. Now, we're going to change this first variable. We're going to change this to last, which really means the last price of the stock. We're going to set that at 40. Next up is volume. This particular volume from the stock filter means today's volume. So if you were to run this first thing in the morning, it might not qualify. So I'm going to go ahead, we're going to get rid of that parameter. We'll bring in average volume a different way. Now, percent change is really what is going on today. And so we are going to look for stocks that are down 10% and between 1.5% and 10%. Now, when you do this, you have to put these filters in exactly in these places, -10 to -150. Now we're going to add some additional filters from the study filter. And as a reminder, study does not work in your paper money account. You have to create this on your LiveSite account and then bring the results over to paper money to work with them. We're going to start out here and grab that average volume. And we're going to go over the last 30 days. And we don't need to maybe go as high as 1 million here, which is what the default is. And so instead, we are going to do 500,000. Now, if you're an options trader, you may consider changing that to 1 million or 2 million. Now, the last 2 here is to help us get the right kind of trend that we're looking for. And trend is no more than just the price changing going up or changing going down. In this case, we are going to say we're going to look for stocks that are down 15% less than they were 64 days ago, which is about a quarter's worth of information. Now on this lower one, we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to do price performance, price change, and we are looking for something shorter term. So we're just going to look for it to be down 5% less than it was. We're going to go with 21 bars, which is essentially a month. So we have short-term bearish trend and a little bit more intermediate bearish trend in addition to the other information we have here. Now, if you like this, go ahead and save it. Go to the right of the sizzle index, hit Save Scan Query, give it a name that you'll remember. Again, I call mine Early Morning Movers bearish. And once you save it, it can be a dynamic watch list for you without you having to come in and run this scan every day. Now, let's go ahead. Let's see how many results we get back right now. Looks like we're getting back in the neighborhood of about 21. So this is just kind of a beginning point, a starting point for you to have some stocks to work with. And then you'll look at their charts and see if you have a technical entry signal that you like. Now you know how to run my Early Morning Movers bearish scan. Have fun.